Hello guys, welcome back to Avanishville. Today I'm going to be talking about viruses. Let's get started. What are viruses? Viruses are microscopic things, not organisms, that causes sickness like influenza and coronavirus like COVID-19. There are even viruses that hurt bacteria because viruses are smaller than bacteria because unlike bacteria which have one cell, viruses don't have even one cell. They're a non-cell organism thing, I guess you could say, and only have a protein shell for a body and have to be in a celled organism to survive. Viruses are so small they're even invisible to a bacteria itself. And bacteria are invisible to us, which means viruses are so much smaller than bacteria, so we basically can't even see them, just like bacteria. Are viruses actual organisms or not? Viruses are actually not organisms. They don't have a cell and only have a simple DNA or RNA structure, which is protected by a protein outer shell and some fats. So that's basic. The protein outer shell and the fats are basically the body, just like how the bones and the muscles and the skin make up our body. Viruses just float around like debris until they make contact with the actual organisms, also called hosts. They enter the host to reproduce. So, really, they need to be in an organism. So, basically, something that has cells like us to actually survive. And we're called hosts. So, for human viruses, like viruses that affect humans, the humans are the host. And let's say the virus affects the bacteria, then bacteria is the host. So, yeah. Also, I might not answer every single question that you might have about viruses. This is a very simple overview. If you have a question, please comment down below and I'll try to find the answers for you guys, and maybe I'll make an actual video about it if it's a very, very big topic in viruses. So just comment below any questions you have about viruses, like the topic. How do viruses reproduce? Viruses can only reproduce when they're inside a host or an organism. The viruses enter a cell through the cell membrane. So the cell wall is basically protecting the cell, and if it bypasses the cell, then there's a cell membrane, which is like a sponge, you could say. So a lot of things can get out and get in. So yeah. Once inside, the virus controls the protein building structure of the host cell, and the host cell makes clones of the virus. So it's basically reproducing. So it's not the cell's fault. It's just the virus gains control of the protein building structure, which the cell uses to create other cells. But the virus is basically, you could say, hijacks it and make sense like things where the protein building structure creates other like the same virus, like basically reproducing. So clones basically. What does the virus army do is what I said. Like the clones and viruses and all. The host cell replicates the virus until the whole cell is infected. When there are too many viruses in the host cell, the cell bursts open and all the viruses go into other nearby cells. And the cycle repeats until your body detects the viruses in your body. So yeah. So the body basically, it usually recognizes that there's a virus in your body after like a lot of viruses are there, basically. So yeah. How does your immune system stop the viruses? So this doesn't talk about the actual stopping, but so if you want a video like that, just comment down below if you want it. I'll talk about it, but in this one, it's about when your immune system detects the viruses in your body, while the white blood cells, I know that, fights the viruses, your body makes a special cell called the memory cell. The memory cell holds all the information about how the viruses were defeated, so like any weaknesses and stuff, basically. So when the same virus attacks again, your body is ready to defeat them. So when a virus, like that type of virus for the first time comes into your body, it takes a while for your body to defeat them, because it's the first time that virus came into your body. So your body tries all different things, and once it's defeated, just in case that virus comes back, your body makes a special cell called the memory cell, which holds all the information. So when the virus attacks again, your body is ready. So so if it strikes again, it's going to be a very fast defeat. And I'm gonna just do a brief about types of viruses. I'm gonna make a video about types of viruses. So yeah, stay tuned in for that. So types of viruses. Helical viruses, so example influenza, or you could say the flu, type C and D, and rabies. Rabies are mostly common found in like animals. I mean, obviously humans are animals, but I'm talking about like animals that we usually say are animals. Like dogs, cats, birds, you could say. Polyhedral viruses, example the adenovirus, which causes the common cold. So it's very common, the adenovirus. Spherical viruses, also adenovirus, and influenza flu type A, H1N1, and coronavirus, which one of the coronavirus I'll talk about in another video, caused COVID-19, the 2019-2020 pandemic. And the complex viruses example would be smallpox. So yeah, if you want a video about any like an individual virus, please comment below, because I'll try to get to you and I'll try to make it happen. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe because it will help me a lot. And also, if you want more types of videos like these, you should subscribe because you will get more content like this. So yeah, and please hit the bell icon if you want to be the first to see my videos, and please share because I will get more views, so I'll become more popular and potentially more subscribers, but more importantly, more people can enjoy my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.